Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing out there in this outdoor world on this gorgeous morning? You know me, I'm doing all right. So, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how you buy these, store-bought bobbers. But I'm also gonna show you how to go from not having to worry about these to being able to turn one of these into one of these. So y'all just sit down there, chill, smoke your cigar, drink your coffee, and old Jason's gonna show you how it's done here in just a minute. But right now we got a little visitor. Yeah. Say hello, guys. Yoo-hoo, I'll make you famous. Anybody know what that reference is from? Yoo-hoo, I'll make you famous. Now, let me get y'all switched around. And, now to do this project, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a straw, something like this. You're going to need wine corks. I mean, I guess you could use something else, but I use wine corks. You're going to need some kind of lighter, to melt the end of the plastic. And you're going to need a drill, because the drill is going to hollow it out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so take your cork, take your drill, all right, and what you want to do is drill yourself a hole like that. Then, and if you want, you can kind of hollow it out a little bit. And then you take your whatever you're going to use for your insert, and well, this one's going to be off a little bit because I went like that, but y'all get it. Alright, now take your line, and you can use a smaller straw, but this is all I had. Take your line, run it through the straw, and then take your beads and put them at either end, and basically now you've got a damn homemade bobber. Now, like I said, you can get smaller, but this is what I had on hand. So now you've got a bobber, and in the next video I'll show y'all this in action. So thank you for watching. This is JMP Outdoors, and remember to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, because I've noticed that 90% of the people that watch my stuff are not subscribed. And the watch hours and the interaction is how I'll get this, how we can get this channel monetized. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, make somebody smile, or give somebody a nice compliment, because you never know. You might just change the world, and you might just make their day for that day, because you don't know what people are going through. Oh,